Sawadee krab. Hello students, good morning. How are you today? I am teacher Danielle and welcome back to my video lesson. Our subject for today is English and our lesson is still about the review of Unit 5. So this lesson is now in lesson 4 and we're going to review the worksheet, all of the worksheet on Unit 5. So for the worksheet of week 1, this is about food. Worksheet of week 2 is also food. And worksheet of week 3 is still food. So this is all going to be food because Unit 5 is all about things to eat. Things to eat. Okay, so I'm gonna explain further the instruction on how you guys should answer all of your worksheets. Okay, are you guys ready? Now let's dive in for the first worksheet. So this is your worksheet on week 1, right? So there are 6 items. And on number 1, there is already an answer. So you have to recognize what photos are these representing, right? So once you recognize them, you have to write down your answer on here on the space provided. So if your answer is, what is this? Spaghetti, you have to write down your answer here, right? Okay, so what is number 2? What do you think is number 2? This is, what is this? This is an ice cream. So you have to answer and write down your answer on the space provided here. Alright, so you have to answer it here and put your answer here. Alright, so this is ice cream. So you have to answer the rest of the items from 3 to 6. And this is your homework. Okay? And then there's also another worksheet for week 1. So this is a word search and you have to find the missing food. Find the food in the puzzle. So these are the list of the food in the puzzle that you have to find. So let's see. Let's give you an example. So what do we find here? Oh, I see a pizza. Here, pizza. So once you find the word, you have to, okay. Once you find the word, you have to encircle them like this, encircle. Okay, so you have to encircle them once you find them. And what is this? This is pizza. Where's pizza? So here, you found pizza. So you have other words to find. So those are these words, you have to find them here in the puzzle. So it's gonna be your homework for week 1. Alright? Now let's move on to week 2. So this is your worksheet on week 2. So the instruction is you just have to choose and circle the correct answer. So there will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 items and you have to choose which answer is the best here. Like for example here, what does she want? So you have to take a look in the picture and you have to specify what is she thinking. So because if she's thinking of something, then it means she wants it. So what does she want? Is it A, he wants a cup of tea? B, she wants a pear? C, she wants an apple? So from this picture, she is thinking about pear. So it means the answer could be letter B. So you have to encircle the letter of the correct answer. So B. She wants a pear. Alright? So for the rest of the items from 2 to 4, it's gonna be your homework. Okay? And another worksheet for week 2 is you have to answer the following with yes or no. You have to choose whether it's yes or no. And based on the information above. So this is the information that you're going to look at. So you have to answer based on the pictures, right? So let's see. Does Emily want some ice cream? So, who is Emily? This is Emily, right? Emily. So, Emily obviously wants a pear, not an ice cream. So, it means the answer here is no. Because Emily doesn't like ice cream. She wants or she likes a pear. So, it means the answer here is no. No. Now let's move on. Oh, this is another worksheet for week 2. Now this is a word search. So you have to find the following food here that is listed. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 food that you have to find in here in the puzzle. Okay, now let's give you an example. So once you found the food, you have to encircle them. Like for example, this is now I found peach. All right, I found peach. So this is the peach. Oh, I found it. So 9 more food to go. So for the rest of the food, here you have to find it and it will be your homework on week 2. Alright? Alright, very good. Now let's move on to week 3. So this is your worksheet for week 3. So the instruction is you have to fill in the space provided. So this is the space. It's blank, so this is the space. In reference to page 2, so what is page 2? So this is page 2. So, and you can either answer it with yes, I do, or no, I don't. So here on the space provided, you have to answer either yes or no, or no, I don't. So, let's give you an example. Simon, this is Simon. Do you like peaches? So let's find Simon on the picture. So this is Simon, right? Hi, I'm Simon. I like peaches and oranges. So Simon likes peaches and oranges. So he was asked if he likes peaches. So obviously Simon likes peaches and oranges. So peaches is being asked. So he says, yes, I do. He likes peaches. Yes, I do. So what about here? Karen, do you like ice cream? So what did Karen says? Hi, I'm Karen. I don't like ice cream. Oh, so you have to answer. So what is the answer here? Do you like ice cream, Karen? So you have to answer yes, I do, or yes, I do, or no, I don't. All right? So from here to here, you have to answer it as your homework. Okay? All right. Now I have also given you worksheet on Unit 6 and Unit 6 is all about my house. And the worksheet for this particular lesson is about personal information. Personal information. So this is going to be in preparation for Unit 6. So it's okay if you don't get this perfectly. It's perfectly fine because we're going to discuss more about this on next week. Okay, so it's fine. So I'm just gonna present this in preparation for Unit 6. So this is the instruction you have to read and answer. So first you have to read this. This is called a calling card. So you have there the telephone number, the address, and the name of the person. Okay? So there are how many questions? One, two, three, four, five. So there are five questions. And you have to choose the answer if it's A or B. So let's give you an example on number one. What is Hannah's address? Hannah. So let's find Hannah here. So what is her address? Address. So this is her address. Apartment A, 12th Street, Manhattan, New York. So where is here? Is it A or B? It's A. So it's apartment A, 12th Street, Manhattan, New York, right? So it's the same. So once you find the answer, you have to encircle it. So it's letter B. So you have to encircle letter B. Okay? Now for 2, 3, 4, 5, you have to answer it yourself. It's gonna be your homework. Okay? Alright. Alright, so that will be the end of lesson 4. So I hope you guys learned something today and I hope to receive all of your worksheet by next week. Okay? So for now, goodbye and have a great day. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.